Welcome to GB Camper Conversion's latest video. So it's only a short one. Yeah. Welcome to GB Camper Conversion's latest van tour. Welcome to GB Camper Conversion's. What are you doing?
Why?
Welcome to GB Camper Conversion's latest video. Oh, for fuck's sake. Then just hold it straight, that's fine. Welcome. You can't keep laughing because I can see you waffling the camera. Can't keep laughing. Can't be serious.
Go on, I'll try.
Can't be serious. Just wait for that train to pass. I'm still rolling, yeah? Okay. Don't look at me.
I'm trying not to. My eyes are watering.
Right.
Go.
Ready. Hold it steady. 2 hands, yeah? Welcome to GB Camper Conversion's latest video. Fucking hell, what's so funny? You ready? Are you still going? Just keep it still. Go on. Welcome to GB Camper Conversion's latest video. Now it's only a short one because you'll have seen this particular or this style of layout before anyway. But we've got the window storage box here. Now with this being the long wheelbase, we've got the 2 bench seats running alongside each other, and then we have the storage unit which is here. So here's the storage unit. 2 decent sized compartments, and then we've got a 12-volt system in here as well. So we've got the leisure battery under this seat as per normal with the DC to DC charger, cigarette lighter socket and the twin USB sockets built into the storage unit. But what you'll notice that is completely different to what we've ever done before, and this is in the model that's actually got the seats in the back, is we were asked to see if we could keep one of the seats, and we have managed to do that. Now fortunately on these particular models, so this is the Citroen Berlingo long wheelbase, but it'll be the same on the Peugeot Rifter and it's the same on the Vauxhall Combo, that the single seat of the 3, and this is the middle row, can be kept as a single seat. We can keep the belts and you can plug the cables back in so that it doesn't bring the lights up on the dash as well. So this particular customer needed 3 travelling seats, and the compromise was that this end of the bed was going to be a little bit narrower and that end of the bed could just be the normal size to what we normally do anyway. But that was the compromise, to keep the 1 single seat. So I mean, it's the genuine seat anyway, so you know it's no more or less uncomfortable than what it was in the first place, but it just allows this customer to have 3 travelling seats, which was quite essential for this particular customer. It's in its usual bolted place, so it's nice and safe. It's got the original seat belt and it's got the original fixings down there. Now we couldn't put a window storage box over this side because of the rake of this seat and where it ends here. We can't quite get that window box over this side, but again that's absolutely fine because there's more than enough storage in that large window storage box over that side. We'll have shown you these before anyway, but you've got your table rail on there as well. The table's on the back door or on the back of the unit near the back door, and like I say, you get plenty of storage in those window storage boxes for the long wheelbase. Anyway, the bed works as normal, so we pull that one piece out, that infill's going to drop in there, and then with the front one, like I say, it doesn't quite extend out as far as what we would normally do, but it comes right up to the belts, and then that infill just drops in there. So it's still a decent width bed, you know, especially if you sleep up that end with your shoulders, it's absolutely fine, and then your feet down here. So yeah, this, like I say, we've not done this before, but it was quite an essential thing for this particular customer, so we did our best to make it happen, and it's happened. You know, we finished the floor off all the way around as well, so that's nicely finished off. You know, there's no gaping holes underneath the floor, it's all trimmed out nicely. In fact, there's two extra sockets built into the floor, what we do normally for cool boxes, if you want to pop them on the passenger seat, or if you've got a portable solar panel, that kind of thing, it can go out the door. But yeah, I thought I'd just share this one with you, seeing as we've kept this travel seat. I know I've had a few requests before, but bear in mind that this is the new shape Citroen Berlingo. It will work in the Peugeot Rift and the Vauxhall Combo. I couldn't tell you how you'd get on with other vehicles, because this is the first time that we've done it, and like I say, fortunately this single seat works fine here. I don't suppose it matters if your particular vehicle, the single seat is there and the twin is this side. We could just move the furniture over that side and the bench seat come over this side, so that's not too much of an issue. And yeah, the customer still gets all the things that they wanted: storage unit, seating, bed, clip-on table, the window storage box, some electrics, to get out there and start doing some camping. So with GB Camping Conversions, based in Tamworth, you can go on the website, there's a contact form, a phone number. Obviously, if you can drop the thumbs up if you like what you see, click the little notification bell to know when we put new videos out there, and subscribe if you haven't already. But enjoy your camping, and I'll see you in the next one.